Hello friends, let us talk about the Scratch dashboard. In the dashboard, you will have a menu. In the menu, you can change your language. Here by default, the English is selected. You can go with other languages. Hindi is not available yet. Depending on the country and region, you can select your language. Second one is the file. From here, you can create new project. You can save your project in your computer. You can also load your last saved project. In the edit mode, you can run your Scratch in a turbo mode. You can also go with the tutorials available from the Scratch. Try it out. Here you will get a lot of tutorials like getting started, talking tales, playing a music. So these are the types of applications and programs that you can create. After this, you will have the code block, costume block, and sound block. In the code block, you will have a Lego blocks. By making a drag and drop of the Lego blocks in the editor, you can write your code. Suppose if you want to perform a motion, you can go with the move, you can go with the turn, you can go with randoms and a lot more. You can also provide sound to your characters. The characters in Scratch, it is known with the name of a Sprite. So here, for example, if you want to change the look and feel, you can go with the look block. You can provide this code. You can also add the sounds. There is a lot more available. Like you will have the events. For example, what to do when you click on the board. For example, what to do when you click on the Sprite. There is a lot more. You can control your Sprite by providing some kind of control. You can repeat the same situation in your games by providing if else, continue, wait until, and a lot more codes. You can also provide the sensing by what to do when you touch on your Sprite. The Sprite is the characters. It may be a bird, it may be your picture, it may be a cat or anything. You can also use the mathematical operators as well as the variables. And my friends, you can also create your own blocks. We will talk about it in later chapters. So, in Scratch, you didn't need to write the code. Instead, you have a block. Second one is the costume. In the costume section, you can change the background of your project, or you can also provide the sounds like meow. You can add new sounds. You can also add recorded sounds by you. Here, this is the Sprite section. That means a character. The character that you want to use in your games or in your coding. And this is the board that provide you a background. You can also change the background. You can change the Sprite motion. You can change the Sprite characters. And we here only having one character, that is a cat. You can make it visible. You can make it invisible. We will talk more about it. You can change the size of your character. Character is also known with the name of Sprite. So I will say Sprite. Here you can change the motion of your Sprite. Try it out. You can add more character. We will talk about it later. Let's say, suppose you want to move this Sprite. So you can go with the motion code. Just select your Sprite somewhere in your background, in your board, and then drag and drop the motion block. It says, whenever I click on this motion block, it should move 10 steps forward. So how you can do it? You just need to simply click on this motion block See, it is moving. Later on we will perform the event because the code is a collection of blocks, and here we are only having one block, that is the motion, and when I click on it, it is moving. Our cat is moving. So friends, make yourself familiar with the dashboard. As a summary, you have a menu, you have a codes, you can change the costume, you can provide sound, you can have a Sprite. We will add more later on, and this is how the dashboard look like. Thanks for watching it.